Chuck Crosby Law Office. Jan says she's lived in her home 30 years, paid off her mortgage 10 years ago, just sold it in prep for downsizing. She said the closing attorney contacted her and said they can't close because there's still an outstanding mortgage on the home. And Jen says she's confused, not sure what she needs to do now. Chuck.
Well, when we say there's an outstanding mortgage on the home, does she not have a mortgage? Has she not been
that
making
there's
payments?
another outstanding mortgage on the home. Apparently,
Okay.
she thought she paid it off, but she says there's an
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. The idea is that a lot of banks, and I would be loath to name all of the banks, but it's pretty much all the banks, have difficulty releasing mortgages. Okay. You make your payment. They have 30 days to release, according to Kentucky statute. Oddly, if they don't, and you go after them, you can get up to $100 a day. By the way, but that's if they're willfully not releasing it. But the fact is, they just forget to release them. So we run across that on title work all the time. I can only think of a couple of instances in the last 30 some odd years that we haven't been able to get a mortgage released. Okay. And there's a lot of workarounds. There's a lot of sausage making in the background. But if there is a live mortgage that she didn't know about, that's where the issue comes in. Was it a matter of somebody mistakenly putting a mortgage on the property? Is there a mortgage they don't know about? I've actually had people put mortgages just before they go to close. Obviously, that's a bit of fraud, but it just depends on the actual situation. But in this case, sounds like, hey, there's just an unreleased mortgage. She refinanced the house. Prior bank didn't do it. If you go from bank A to bank A on a refi, they frequently won't release that first mortgage. What it entails is making a couple of phone calls, couple of emails. For instance, local bank, whenever I run across it, a prior owner unreleased mortgage, say I sell my house, my mortgage gets paid off, that bank doesn't release that mortgage. Well, it's your house now. You've got your first mortgage. You're going to go refi. You find this old unreleased prior owner mortgage. Usually, it's just a matter of a few emails. Takes a few weeks, but you can usually get them done.